We need 1 cup of sugar.
Woo! I said I'm living my best life.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's so stupid.
Why are you guys making so much noise?
You're so loud. We're just doing the intro.
Yeah, and you're...
Hello guys, it's Hannah, and today I'm joined here with a special guest. We are in a different location because today I'm filming a bake with us video. Today we are gonna be baking brownies. I found a recipe for vegan brownies, so we'll let you guys know if they're good, and I thought it would just be fun to watch us bake. We're really bad.
I can't bake, literally.
Yeah. So hopefully this is entertaining for you guys, and
woohoo, make it a series.
Yeah, maybe we'll make it a series. Maybe we'll post a bunch of them. We have all our ingredients laid out, as you can tell. We're gonna get to it. Okay, first thing we need to do, preheat the oven. Okay.
Celsius.
Are you doing some cooking show?
Yes. Okay, preheating. Okay, I don't know how much.
8 ounces.
225 grams. Okay, so one of these.
Oh!
This is such a bad video.
The worse it is, the better the views.
I'll chop it in half and then we can each cut pieces. Okay.
Woo!
You cut this one, I'll cut this one.
Like down the middle and into...
Just cut them into small pieces.
Oh my gosh, I have no muscle.
We need to melt half of it. Is this microwave safe?
Plastic.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this mug because I don't know what's microwave safe. That's pretty good. Why? Oh my god, brought back Vietnamese handmade chocolate.
But you can't eat it. Sucks to suck.
Okay, we're gonna do 1 minute instead of 45 seconds.
Wow, we're wild.
Rebels.
Speaking of dying, did you know that when you sneeze, you die for 1 second? All the blood flowing to your heart, like, increases, because it's like pressure, you know?
Yeah.
Or the blood flow is like, because of the pressure increases to your nose, but it stops to your heart, so like there's no blood flow to your heart for like 1 second, so you like die for a sec.
Okay.
Now what do we do? Are you running? Make the flax egg.
Grab a, okay, so 4
4
of
of
these.
these. Can I do some stuff?
Sorry, you can do it. I got you. Okay, we need 6 tablespoons of water. Okay,
My food is almost with me.
Woo! You.
It worked. You gotta do it gracefully. Why does it look like a chip on your food?
Have you never heard of flax seeds before?
I have, but I don't know what they look like. So
Don't use that thing. Okay, we need to set this aside for 10 minutes.
Why?
Because that's how long it takes to become an egg. Wait, we have like chocolate everywhere.
Oh, this is a disaster.
In a medium bowl, add the sugar and vegan butter and whisk until smooth. Okay. We need 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar, go.
What's not clicking? What's not clicking?
What is it? Oh. Hello?
Is our food arrived?
Yeah, it's coming. I'm coming outside.
Our food's here. Help. Mukbang?
We should do one of those.
Yeah, I feel like they'd be fun. Okay, butter time. Half a cup melted. Is that half a cup?
A little more. Cheers.
Oh my gosh. You want to whisk
Yep.
it all together. Warning, before this video starts, this is a little bit messy, but enjoy it anyway.
I feel like it's like when it's eventful, it's kind of enjoyable.
Yeah.
Like Hannah used to be the type of person that would be like if the video was so bad, like messy, or not bad, but messy like this, she just wouldn't post it. And now she's like more laid back and chill with her channel and has it how she actually truly wants it. So now she just doesn't really care. I feel like that was so much. Oh my god.
Oh.
I feel like fries make everything better. Oh yeah, I sound like a cringy Tumblr post. Fries before guys.
Where's our flour? Where's the flour? I think it's in here. Where's that flour? We add it gradually. Next, cocoa, 1/4 cup. Okay.
Out of my throat. Oh, we need to sift it.
Oh.
Do we have to actually?
Okay, next up, egg. I need a spoon.
Holy, this.
Should I taste it?
No.
Doesn't taste good.
I feel like my grandma could eat these.
Can you not?
Oh, I can whisk. I think I'm pretty good at it. This looks like a turd.
Stir! Sorry, that was gonna be.
Oh dang, this looks good. That's enough.
Sorry.
Okay, I don't want my brownies salty.
Tastes good.
Wanna watch the Bachelorette finale?
No?
Everyone be quiet. Everyone.
Everyone. I have chocolate everywhere. Okay, now we pour it into here. Flatten it, and then we're supposed to leave it to sit for 30 minutes, and then we can put it in. I hope these rise a bit, because we really don't have very much. Can I try? Feed me.
Wait, slow-mo.
Slow-mo means I'm gonna put it in slow-mo, not you have to act in slow-mo. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and we're gonna put it in now. Hopefully it'll rise a little bit, because this seems like very little, but
Yeah.
hoping for the best.
Burns their face. How long do we keep them in for?
We didn't butter the pan.
You want to put it out and then butter it?
It's too big.
Wait, how long does it keep it? Gives up on life.
Oh no, I put 1 hour and 20 minutes.
There you go.
Okay, Jesus.
This is fun.
I'm concerned.
Why are you recording yourself cleaning?
It's been 25 minutes. Oh my god, there's so much fog.
So weird.
It smells kind of burnt. It's been cooling for like 15-ish minutes, I'd say. So now it's taste test time. Hopefully it's good. I hope so. It's like crunchy and like a little bit soft in the middle. Cheers.
It's like crunchy at the top, but the middle part's normal.
That's good though.
It's kind of
You want it.
chewy, but it's good.
Yeah.
Like the taste is good, it's just really chewy.
Success.
Baking with
surprisingly.
Hannah and Riley.
That is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and it was entertaining to watch because we're kind of a mess when it comes to baking. And it's not even that we were trying to do it to like be funny. I just like, I don't know why, I was just like not paying that much attention today.
Yeah, we're not tryhards.
If you guys enjoyed the video, obviously make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not yet subscribed. We love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up.
Do you want to read through my DMs?
Yes.
I replied to like, oh, I took screenshots of this one really creepy guy.